In the don't work on the background layer quick tip, I showed you how to work non-destructively. Don't work on the background layer. I can't stress that enough. Don't do that. We work non-destructively on new layers, and that preserves the original image. Now, I use the healing brush, but what I really want to show you is see the size of the healing brush. See that little circle and see how it changes? It's because of where it's being sampled from. But changing the size of the healing brush, people always say use the bracket keys, left and right brackets to make it smaller and larger. Well, and the bracket keys are little square brackets to the right of the P key on your keyboard. And other people come up here and say, oh, change the size here. And then you come out here to see what size it is and come over here and it's too small, it's too big. You're in Goldilocks zone. Well, wouldn't it be cool if you could hold down keys and change the size by dragging left and right, or change the hardness by dragging up and down? And what you hold down in order to do this is with any brush tool in Photoshop, is you hold down Control and Option. That's right, Control, not Command. Control or Option in order to control the hardness, softness, up and down, small, large, left and right. Got it? This is a great way to work, and you'll never, ever, ever be going up here and up here in order to change the size and hardness. Now the spacing is another thing. And then of course we have the brush engine, which is a completely other supercharged tool. More on that later.